Okay, so if I want to teach you like a beginner, okay, first of all, I have 4 components, okay,
Okay.
which is the most common one is, the very common SNR,
Okay.
and then, this thing, you say it didn't work, right? I
Okay.
think you're the one. And
Engulfing.
then also, yeah, then you recently telling me that you learn with Afiq student. So I'm actually using MM also.
Okay. Oh, makes
So
sense. Makes sense. Market mover.
yeah, that's why I'm asking you, like, who Afiq student. So you say it is Mengrace, right?
Yes, Mangrace, yes.
This MM is more related to candlestick.
Okay.
Unlike SN, I only use line chart.
Oh,
Okay, you understand?
yes.
So graphing is more to zone for me.
Okay.
Sorry, my writing is very
I can see it.
very bad.
I can see it.
So MM is for candlestick, SNI is for line chart, and graphing for zone to zone, and trendline is, yeah, the rules are 1, 2, 3, right?
Yes.
1, 2, 3 dash. So for trend line, I don't use shadow to shadow, only line chart body to body only.
Okay.
Okay, no shadow to shadow, because actually sometimes it works, but I think it's better for me to use that only lah.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
so later for the confirmation, I will give. Usually I scalping on M15 only lah, the lowest time frame.
Okay.
But sometimes actually you can see on bigger time frame also lah, this kind of thing, because the higher the time frame, the powerful lah, the confluence for
Confirmation.
for the chart
Okay.
will happen. This is more it always more to continuous.
Okay.
It's actually something like this. This is the first one. I'm just showing the general first lah. But later
Okay. Okay.
we show the example. Okay, this is the first and the second. And then the third one is impulsive. Impulsive is some kind of this. This one is the third one. This one usually it will confuse the buyers. Sometimes you think that, oh, this time the gold will go up or the gold will go down, but then later it touch this lower time frame SNR, and then it will continue the continuation pattern that continuously selling bearish candle.
Okay.
So I just showed the okay. So for Okay. I want to know that. You know I mean, like, have you learned the direction or storyline?
I have, but I like to see the idea, like your own perspective of it. So it could be different. You know, lots of people have different understanding to things. So I like to see yours. So that's why I said you should just act like I don't know anything. So like just
Okay, okay,
start
okay.
it. Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, like, in the end of the day, it's your best or your own understanding.
Yes.
Uh, yeah, because sometimes I for the previous all of my previous student all are, I mean, like, experienced trader lah. So I don't want, like, maybe they are no more direction than me. So for example, like Arif T, I know him.
Okay, Arif. Yeah, yeah, yes.
Yeah, yeah. So
Mm.
he learned from me, but it is more to like low time frame concept lah, like that.
Okay.
Okay. So okay, like, I just straightforward teach you lah. So how I determine the midlight. So for next week,
Which which
I'm
time,
actually
which time frame do you begin checking for the direction?
oh, okay, okay. Okay, if you look at monthly, so if based on SNR, for gold, it already going to go uptrend, to be honest. Because if you look at SNR, if SNR marking, you will mark like this, right?
Okay. Monthly
But
support. Okay.
but for market mover, I will look at open candle, open closing here. Okay, okay. To tell you about the market mover, so uh, if the candle on 30 June doesn't break, okay, sure. So for my marking, usually for the market mover, okay, for example, sorry. So if the price coming here like continuously bearish, bullish, sorry.
Okay.
Okay, if the candle does not close, body break. Okay, this monthly closing like this
Okay.
on 13 June, so I determine that the bearish momentum for gold is still there
Okay.
because market mover is sometimes confused a bit, confusing and not. I mean, like, have to take time lah to understand fully how you want to see for market mover lah, and on bigger time frame like monthly, weekly, daily.
Okay.
So you understand now how the marking of market mover.
Okay. Market mover, like closing candle. The candle has to close above the.
And true.
Okay. The candle. So, but sometimes candle can close like above and still go below again. I always see some cases like that.
Yeah, true. Okay, so okay, we go back to okay, I go to weekly. So right now, if we look at the weekly, there's no MM, right? Am I right?
I don't
You
understand.
can
What do you mean by there's no MM? Like how?
uh, MM is like open candle. open candle of the OHLC, you know.
Okay. Okay.
Or for example, if you look at here, there's no MM, but if you look at more bigger picture, there's MM here. It's like a gap, you know.
Okay.
See the price touch here and also here. You cannot see, right, if the
Okay.
price come here, but the weekly there's a MM here. But if you open line chart, there's no support there, right?
Yes.
Only like a little bit, like can be
A curve. Okay.
So if you look at weekly, there's also trend line for confirmation for uptrend goal lah.
Okay.
Okay. So if you look at daily, this trend line. I think like I'm a bit like this is like how we call it. It's like more to trading plan for next week, right?
Okay.
Or I think like I maybe like just show the back test, right?
Okay, I get.
Okay. Okay, if you put SNR marking like this, right?
Yes. Resistance.
Yeah. So if for MM, just mark like this. And if the closing candle not body break here, so there is the understanding of the MM lah, basically. So imagine that if the body is break like this,
Okay.
so the potential for the setup for the bullish to go up again, there is still there lah. So maybe that tomorrow if there will be like the bullish right here going to the next SNR there and next MM there.
Okay.
So there is basically MM lah, market over.
Okay. And question. Sometimes I've seen the first closing. Imagine if price close above the MM, like just try and paint, try and draw it like price closing above the MM, like draw it there.
Okay, I show you the example of break candle. Okay,
Okay.
the MM is breaking. So last week, okay, this one last week. So this is the example of MM if MM is break lah. So this one, okay, you consider this one is on Friday like Thursday. Hey, this is Friday, right? Friday or Thursday. Okay, this one happened at midnight at my Malaysia time, right? So a lot of people are buying there, you know, buying here. But they don't know that the H4 closing is already break. Okay, for example here. This one is MM.
Yeah.
So, like I said, if the body is break, just find the pullback only. So the pullback is here. So my confirmation is Like I said, I do the M15.
Okay.
Okay, there is the what we call actually my confirm if you look at bigger time frame, there's a big bullish bearish candle, right? So the possibility for the price to break it back like this is impossible. There usually the lower time frame will just take the nearest breakout SNR support become resistance. So the price break and then the price come back, just take this kind of support only. So you just mark the MM here and just wait and entry in. Okay, be seen. You got question?
A lot of questions. So like, how do you start? Like, what time frame do you start? Which was the last time frame? What confirmation do you use? Like,
What confirmation if I start? Okay, usually in the morning. Okay, for tomorrow, okay, like this. Okay, sometimes if I want to make sure, okay, for next week, you already know that the buy is already take here, already take this level. If we look at SNR, it's already take the HNS.
so how do you enter that buy? How do you enter the buy there?
You mean buy here?
Yes. How would you enter the buy there? How?
Okay. Okay, usually it's actually this MM actually. I enter the buy here. It got spike, but not a lot. It's only like 20, 30 pips only.
How would you know that that's the right level to enter? How would you know that price will not break it and go to another level below?
You mean like how do you know that the candle will not break, like body break? Am I right?
Yes, and go to another level below.
Because I was waiting here. This is for this level got touched many times. So although it is not fresh, but it still can be used, you know.
Okay.
So there's actually actually there's divergence also, but you know the rules of trend line is very dangerous, very high risk.
Yeah. Trend line. There are too many points in trend line, so I don't always know the right point to use. Trend line you can
Yeah, that's
see.
why. So trend line is very high risk lah. So I'm just showing you like how market mover marking.
Okay.
So like I said, like market mover marking, the body, if the body doesn't break, you can still entry there. It is still valid lah. So this setup is actually like just it just spike and then just go, you know, spike and go. It doesn't show like many pattern, you know. Okay, this is what the example of, like I say that this is type 2 and 15 continuation, but it shows on M1, right? I show the example like I said in M15. So okay, my confirmation is, okay, if there's a big low there, like, you know, like, okay, I call it like you got the morning wood, right? In the morning, right? Like this, right? So the price to break there is very impossible. Okay, my reversal confirmation is very simple: double bottom and double top. Also, very powerful one, HNS by left shoulder. Mark only the left shoulder here. Okay, if the HNS you only see like this, I don't mark it like that. Unless the HNS is like this. Usually this kind of zone is just around 20 pip zone, 20 pip SL. Because I already see a lot, because I work as a signal provider, I work as a broker, so I look at the chart every single day, you know.
Okay.
Okay, so this is the bottom. It will not give a very specifically like easy pattern, like you can see, oh, it does like this. Very clear, very good to very simple to see. No, it will give very shady one. So in M1 is very high, very what you call very crowd candle, very noise, a lot of noise. But once you see like this, okay, my confirmation double bottom, and then if you see a big candle, big bullish candle, or if you want to think like very in a fun way, like if you got a morning wood, right? So you got very steamy dick, right? Okay, like that. Okay. So like I show you type 2 just now. This one, right? So this is the bullish pattern lah. You got this one, and then it will do the sideways. So how do you want to entry, even though it is sideways? I mean, like how I entry the continuation, right? Okay. So you entry, just entry when you do this, just entry here. Every time it touch there's MM actually. See, small MM here. So you just entry on this level lah. Because in higher time frame cannot be seen, but in lower time frame also can be. Now you can see the how that you can buy lah. Okay. So if the pattern is breakout, so you just buy here also. Okay, I show an example. So I actually entry very late. I entry on this here. So how do I entry there? Okay, I know that okay, there is a very big bullish candle, right? So there's this one, and then it will do a pullback. But I already buy here a lot. I buy here, I close. I buy here, I close. I buy here, I close. Because why? Because there is a lot of MM there. So for the first one is here. Price starts there, I buy. And got SNR also there. I buy here first. Because although there will be a huge pullback lah. So try to like buy scalp, and then the last one I buy here. This one. Because if you look at the bigger picture, it's actually HNS. It's actually HNS here. And also, if you want to think like the bearish is still strong, actually sometimes gold have to do like this. They have to do like very the bullish have to be like this, very not strong, very weak. Not it doesn't have that kind of steamy there like very strong trend or whatsoever. So for example, this is okay. This is a big example lah. If you can see what I show you on F15.
Yeah.
Okay, this is the type 1 lah. Type 1 like I show you on F15. But it is shown on bigger time frame. So this one is H4, right?
Yeah,
so that's why I already know that the price will come down. Because why? I show you my F15 type 1 is this type. Big, big, and then this one. Got trend line here, and then although the divergent take there, it is still will come back here. And then continuously do the bearish movement. So okay, for example, another example is okay, this one. But this one is more to type 3. There's SNR here, and then there's a big bearish movement. So the price doesn't, I mean like, it may be here take on SNR, I mean like maybe on H1 or somewhere around here, I think. Where's my market?
You can't find the marking.
Yeah.
What time frame was it? H1. H1. You think she can't draw vertical line?
Okay.
Point.
So there is
Yeah.
this one. This one big and impulsive. Here, but the price, like I said, it comes slowly, very weak, and then reach the support there, continues.
But at
And
that point, it wasn't the support. It went far beyond. If you check.
Yeah, it went far beyond, but it take here.
Okay.
This is like a continuous pattern lah.
Okay.
I'm telling you. So this is more like a third type. The third one that I show you.
Okay.
You got or SNR. or SNR there.
Okay.
You understand me? Okay. And then got the bearish movement.
So is there any how you could know if price is going to take the or it's going to take the SNR?
Okay. How I could know, because if you look at here, there's no support or resistance. I mean, like, this body candle is very, like clear highway, you know.
Okay.
There's no roadblock there. You understand what I mean? So there's no roadblock to be stopped or to be like
Back now.
Okay.
All right. Okay. So you said the level was the candlesticks were like bold. There was no roadblock.
Yeah. Okay. So I show you another example. Although it is very high risk, this one. So you can see here that there is no roadblock there, right?
Yeah.
So the price keeps continue here. So mark the here. And another confirmation is you can already see that the price will reverse because there is double top here on the line chart. It is very high risk. So, but you will know that the price will react there. Next one. It's either there or here. Okay.
Okay, I get it.
And if you at this period is very, why I say it is very high risk, because there is trend line also. So you just this is more like scalping lah. I mean, like, you can sell and then you can buy and then you sell back, and then you will know that this one is very, like, what we call, like, very, you know, that the price will spike because on bigger time frame there's divergent trend line, you know.
Yeah.
See? it's actually very, very hard to teach people.
I get. Just try your best and like break it down. Like try and break down. Okay, from the intro, from the things you said at first, you're talking about. I think you should go this way from direction to setup confirmation to make it easier for you to.
Okay. How do I see the direction for example, like
Which are you? Do you start from weekly or monthly or daily?
okay. If Monday to Sunday and Monday to Friday, I only monitor daily only. Daily closing price. For weekly, like right now, like where we are, is the like what we do right now lah. For we do weekend lah, weekend Friday. Week 1 lah, closing price. So if monthly, just wait until the monthly closing price lah. Monthly closing price.
So if you want to talk about closing price, look at this price, this daily price, the last high, that price made before coming down in current market price, the last resistance. Check it, like mark the last resistance.
Where the last resistance now?
Yeah.
Okay, if it's an R.
Okay, no,
this is
go higher, go higher, go higher. Go to the next
weekly.
one. Yeah.
Okay.
No, like go to daily time frame. Like what I meant was go to daily time frame.
Okay.
Yeah. Take your line, like the horizontal line, to take it down to the resistance. Yeah, no, above, the one above this one that you just marked. Yeah, that one, yeah. So like now change to candlestick. I want to ask a question. If you check over here, the MM broke, but your price went up, then reversed again. Have you seen? Like it broke the MM.
How do I?
It broke the MM, I think, but then it's selling again.
I just wait here lah for MM.
Yes, it broke the MM for bull. That means price was going to go up, but it now reversed and went into a bear market. Now sold.
Okay. Or you mean like why the price go down there lah?
Yes. After breaking up,
it's supposedly to go out lah, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Because in weekly, it's already show it is still bearish here. It's already break here. Okay, one more thing about shadow. Usually we fill it back like this one. So in weekly, it's already break over here. So you already know the next week it sell. You understand?
Okay.
Okay, on that day, what day? We check. 17 June. Okay, it is the second candle, right? The one that I showed. So weekly, I just mark MM here. So the price still break because this, the 17 June is actually here. The 17 June is actually on here, on this candle, not on this. So the meaning of it that you say that the price still go down is the reason why I entry here. This one, right, 17 June. Okay, that time happened on 2 a.m., 3 a.m. on Malaysia time. Okay. There's also a here, right? Okay, break also, right? Break. But like I said, you will go up. So you go to H1. What do you see? There's a but break. But if you look at other confluence, which is there's a fresh breakout there. Fresh breakout, also here. So this is the freshest zone now. Because why the price will go down. And also, if you look at F15, there is bigger picture of HNS. That's right here lah. But I already entry there. Okay. I tell you another secret of gold lah. So every time you want to enter and entry gold, this is my secret lah. I tell you. If you want to entry reversal, usually don't entry if the price on very bullish momentum. I mean like if the price is doing like this, do not entry sell on low time frame. If you want to find the reversal, see like this. At that time you already know, okay, I already got the reversal price. No. If the price doesn't go down like this, doesn't go down like I show you, if doesn't go down like this, like very like suddenly show a very bearish candle, instead they show like this. There will be a spike back. If you the bearish sell reversal you want to sell, this is the first entry lah. First entry and very high risk lah. Like always, reversal is always high risk. If the candle always do the like a steps, like a stairways, you go down, price will always go up back. Like go up back very like step back. And then do another push. And then this one is the very first reversal. So you already know that there is HNS. Okay, this is okay, you see that? This is type 1 everything continuation that I told you. See?
Okay.
This is called flat pattern lah. Actually, if you Google there, you saw the flat pattern. This is the example lah. Actually, Of course, like the Google will show you the very basic one, the very cliche one. Yeah, you understand me?
Yeah.
So, okay, there is MM there. That just mark there. Just wait the price come there. And if you miss the entry, then you entry with SNR or MM. Price break there. Just wait the left shoulder. If you miss again, there is this MM here again. And then if you miss again, just entry here. But okay, actually this zone, it's not a lot lah, like 60 pip only lah. Very high risk lah, this one.
Yeah.
If you like, I mean like, if you're already exhausted, like you just wait, open candle market, and then entry here lah. Where's the, okay. Let's wait and then here. So if you think, okay, this is the example like, if you think the MM is break, right? If you think MM is break here, you see, oh, I think the price will go up. But there is MM here also. So if you don't want to confuse for the MM, you combine with trend line. So there is trend line here, divergent. Okay, one thing I like about trend line is divergent trend line only. The reversal trend line lah. Because
use the divergence like on all trend lines, like on all time frames, like the divergence is on all time frames.
Okay, for me, trend line, there is no rules because I mean like if you want to find the continuation, there is no rules. But if you want to entry for reversal, make sure you entry on the very high time frame, H1, H4, daily, and onwards. But if you want to find the continuation, yes, you can just entry on low time frame. Got this trend line. Okay, this one is trend line breakout. Just continue I mean like the continue entry for sell lah. Okay, okay, this is another example lah. Okay.
So do you use only MM for your entries, or you use SNR too? Resistance. Do you wait only at market mover point, or you wait at support and resistance levels too? That's what I want to compare right now.
Okay. Okay, for example, I show you Friday movement. Friday.
So like, okay, for the Friday movement, can you like start from higher time frame to like show me how you started it, not just the entry, like from the direction, where exactly did you mark and why did you precise and to what level did you precise to? You get?
Actually, if you want to trade, like for example, for me, like you want to trade on the daily. Okay, you want to trade Friday, right? Last Friday, okay. You already know that Okay, there's no here, right? This is the closing price, right?
Yeah.
Okay, you already know that the price will either come here, but many people target here lah, the low risk entry lah. But for me, MM is there. So on weekly, because we want to trade on daily, right? So let's see. Okay, so okay. So at that time, you already know that the price will go down because there is MM here and body break.
Okay.
Got trend line also here. Body break also actually. Got SNR also here. Key level here, break. So the next, then so if you want to continue sell, you just wait here. There is no possible way that the price will go up here. Because why? This is actually the last key level for price to go uptrend. I mean, like the day before.
Okay.
And on the left, there is no MM. If price break here, no MM. No. Until here. This one you can wait for sell.
How about I thought there's MM here at I'll level.
This one.
Around, no. Go higher. Go higher.
This one?
No. Come lower at, let's say, 1847. Let's say 1847.
Okay.
1847. Yes.
Okay, one. Yeah, that also.
Is that not MM? Won't you mark that as MM?
This one is MM actually, but the one is actually MM, but we got a lot of shadow, so maybe it's actually taking from H1, maybe H1, M13 for more sharp entry lah. Understand? So lower time frame, this is the lower time frame sharp entry lah. Of course, like it will not give like. I mean, like this is the big time frame lah. Okay. So so every time start the day, I just trade on either M15 or M13 because you want to know. Because you want to, I mean, like start your day with entry lah.
Okay.
So at that time the price is there, right? It here like on the sideway, right? You already know that the price will go up, right? Because last night continuously bearish. This one happened. This one news. It's the news, but no effect. Go up here. Okay, let's see on. Okay, on the morning, okay, like I said, goal attitude, their I mean like what do they call? Their manipulate. Don't entry when the price is sideways. Only entry when the price is break here, and then you see, like I said, double bottom. If buy, if sell, double top. It's either can be like this also. This also. So what do you see on? Okay, on lower time frame you see the reversal, double bottom. If trend line, you already see here. 0.1, 0.1, 0.2.
Okay.
Okay. It's actually also got trend line here also. Okay, one thing I like about trend line is, I mean like me and Vision, my style of trend line is we do marking like this lah. We do like this is the area that we can buy.
Okay.
So this is the key area lah. So if the price go down there, I mean like it will continuous sell. You understand?
Okay.
Because the meaning that the price taking the price here only and go continuously down for the next high time frame SNL or MM.
So which higher time frame scenario will you go to now? Like, is it H4 or daily? Or I don't get. Where would you monitor for like the buy?
Okay, you do to H4 lah, H4, H1. Just look at H4, H1 because sometimes the price will only react there to spike and take another take spike there and then buy until sell trend line lah, sell SNR.
Okay, so like if you check H1 and you see like MM in H1 and then you check H4, there's MM below the H1. Do you understand? How are you gonna like
This one.
how are you gonna validate that price is going to react off the H1 and not the H4 that is like slightly beyond? Like imagine if this was H1 time frame and you had this MM here and you now check H4 and you now have MM right below it. How will you validate? Like my problem is confirmation. How do you confirm? How do you know that that level will hold? Like that's the real factor here. Like
Okay, I understand. I understand what you say.
yeah.
So you mean like how do you know that? I mean like if the price here like you know that it will go up, right?
Yeah.
So okay, every time you entry, you have to see how's the gold behavior first. So like I said, if the price doesn't do any like sideways or doesn't do any chart pattern, like I said, like double bottom or HNS, the price will go down.
On which time frame?
Lower time frame. I already teach you like the F15 continuous there. So if you don't see like from here, trying to go M5 at least. So you see HNS instead of double bottom here. So if you okay at that time, I got first entry here.
Okay, so like
There's so many. Yes.
the first entry. How are you going to enter the first entry? That's the first entry. Show me how you would enter the first entry. Like this first entry. Try and like imagine this is like a live chat or something. How are you gonna like enter that first entry?
How I'm going to validate the first entry.
Yes, exactly.
Okay. It's actually more to like situation that you have to. That's why you have to have the zone, and then you have to have the how many that you can raise lah that zone. You understand me?
Okay.
Because I'm a trader as myself, I always have some cut that I do also. I have stop loss also. But if you're confident, if you got no confidence on trading, I think you cannot. I mean, like the trader always have a risk to loss and gain, win. You know.
Okay.
So that's why I'm teaching you how goal behavior do. That's why I say if goal doing this side way for a long time, for sure the goal will go down doing his last spike. Last spike for buy, last spike sell for goal to do buy. Because goal behavior, they always do like this, no? They always do like sideways and then spike, and then the goal will only give you like 5 to 15 minutes only for you to buy. He will do a very shady pattern like double bottom, double HNS. So okay, how I confirmation my entry? Usually, because I already look at go many times, not many, like million times. Okay.
Okay.
Once you know that the goal is doing like this, and then the pullback here. Okay, for example, okay, you already see the last spike, right? The last spike here.
Yeah.
So, gold is doing like this. This one, right? And then, okay, another good reversal. You always see this kind of and we call like people we say engulfing failure, but low time frame. The price will go up like this, spike, and then put back like this, giving doji only, and then go up. Okay, what do you see? What do you see on this? What kind of chart pattern do you see on this?
HNS.
True. So usually go will give chart pattern always, even though you okay. This one also okay. Like I said, this is sideways, but you want like a very solid confirmation, right? So although okay, this one I don't like. It doesn't give like very straightforward entry, you know.
Okay. Like there's no
It gives like
there's no double maru.
double maru.
Like big candlesticks, like
Yeah, big candlestick. Because that's why I say okay lah. It got big bullish, big bearish. That one got momentum. So don't ever fight with momentum. If got very big bullish, the higher the time frame, big candle, just focus on the trend. You get what I mean?
I feel you.
So if, for example, like if, but this only comes after the sideway, because sideways always manipulate you. You want the sharpest entry, right?
Yeah.
So this one is the one that wants the market want you to entry. It will always like, okay lah, go. Okay, okay lah, I tell you lah. Okay, go. You want this good entry, right? Good entry. I mean like avoid finding like meaning that usually gold usually doesn't give you straightforward entry. It always like, for example, okay, I show you this by example. Okay, this one. Okay, this one is on big time frame entry. Okay. Okay, this one you didn't get to. It only give spike entry, right? Am I right?
Yeah.
That time 8:30 news, if I remember. 8:30 news on Wednesday, I think Wednesday or Thursday.
Did you enter the buy?
Thursday.
Did you enter the buy? Like, we in the buy?
Yeah, I get the buy, but I entry early because I was get cheated by the. I get confused lah by the goal momentum because I thought gold will buy because at that time I buy on 1827, but the price spike until the last hit of the HNS shoulder. I was buying here actually, so I didn't get the very spike until a bit. That's why you see my story. I was entry very big at here, and then I entry few here. I only entry like 4 or 5 entry there at here because I already full margin here. You saw my story, right?
Yeah. I always screenshot all your stories, all your trades.
Okay.
Yeah.
Because I was confused by because I thought the price will go down. Because okay, you see that on the low time frame. I think okay. Okay. I got cheated here and here also. See? Go, I mean like, you already see double top here, right? But the price doesn't like, okay, you thought that the price is giving double bottom, but if you look at the bigger picture, it's already do like this lah. And it's actually an importance actually.
Okay.
The price doesn't break this MN.
So your entry level is
And
always
then
MM. Your entry level is always MM.
this is my post-mortem what I analyze, okay?
Okay.
Because at that time I was targeting buy, because there's on the left there is what I say, there is a SNS, right? A SNS, a man. So this one is very dangerous to entry lah.
Okay.
So I was farming my buy here because I thought this is the last fight.
Okay.
However, the price do this sideways. But at that time, I already entry like full like 15 to 20 entry here. And usually, gold if started to do like this, because I was imagining that gold will do here double bottom, and then I thought that the price will go spike very very high lah, like very big candle like this.
Okay.
And then break again.
The time will close right now. You have to create another link.
Yes.
Like the time is about to get exhausted. You have to create a new link.
Yes, very exhausted. I'm already like not already.
Okay.
I'm already like, so I was, because I was eating lah that time. Because the price will go up, right? So that's why I let my entry run only. So that's why I don't entry sell up there, because I already exhausted from this entry lah.
Okay.
So then the so this is the moment that I was annoyed lah, because I thought the price will do like this.